why we ask for a deposit before we start the project? That's a great question. Let me break it down for you. For example, for this home remodeling, we need windows, we need siding, we need roof, we need a lot of things. We need kitchen cabinets. If we will be doing bathrooms, we need to order fixtures. If the vanity takes a couple of months to come in, we got to order. The deposit is going to allow us to order the material that's going to take longer to come. So by the time we start the project, we don't have to be waiting for the units to come in. So basically it's going to get you faster in production. It's going to be easier for you to work. And if anything special order needs to be ordered, we will be able to do in advance. So also will help you to have a smooth renovation from start to finish. So the deposit is needed to make sure we can provide a smooth experience from start to finish. Also, we can allow time involved in to make sure everything has been planned, there's no delays. So that's why we need a deposit for your project. Thank you. I hope that answers the question.